when I was in Switzerland, I always wanted to be a market manager in IKEA. That means store manager. And then after some years, I became that store manager. And then a few months later, I felt that I'm lacking energy, that I go to the store, but I don't have energy. And then I took some time and deep dive in myself to ask myself, what do I want? What are the things that makes me happy? What are my obstacles personally? And when was I truly happy? I realized that I was truly happy and centered when I was back from Iraq, being voluntary in Médecins Sans Frontières, and then coming back without any perspective, without any money, without anything that you can say financially is secure. But I had the inner peace that you cannot describe. And that moment, I changed my purpose. I was always wanted to be something, wanted to be manager, this manager, that manager. And then I changed totally. How can I support and serve my colleagues that are working with me, or my home, my wife, my brother, sister, friends, and so on,